Today is the wedding day. I'm excited and nakataktak ko na hindi ko na maintindihan ko. Oh, yan oh. Mateo. Bang, shut up. Oh, hello. Oh, dahil masaya na si...
Ay, na, Jesus. Tukot mo ka kasi kumot ko.
Mamaya mo yung plan sa ginagamit.
Rico! Ay, sinugod na ako.
Okay, ingatin natin na.
Hindi ako nagagamit ng ganito eh. Ayaw ko magpalagay na ganyan. Akala ko nga kanina, hindi na didilat yung mata ko.
Ang ganda nga, parang ano.
Si
Ano,
Dong...
sabi nung nagay sa akin,
Oh.
kamukha kasi madam. Kunahan.
Sino daw kamukha?
Michelle daw.
Michelle? Michelle na ano?
Malay ko kung sinong Michelle.
O, kama mo ni Dungo Tagia. Sino daw mo?
Michelle D. Marquez.
Sino yun?
Sinong Michelle?
Ha?
Miss Universe.
Oh, Miss Universe!
Miss
Oh!
Universe
Ano naman ang pakiramdam
Miss
mo?
Universe pa lang hipag nyo na ngayon.
Nasabihan na Miss Universe.
Te.
Ay, ano ang pakiramdam na?
Siyempre masaya. Oh.
Oh, Sir, yung asawa mo daw ay ano, Miss Universe.
Mali, may tumatawag sa kanya.
Ay!
Videoan mo.
May tumatawag. May tumatawag.
Oh, tatawag.
May tumatawag.
Kasama kam.
Hello.
Kung hindi ako
Kasama
yan.
kam.
Hello. Hello. Remote ng aircon. Pinaring na lang Ajik.
Hindi sa akin yan.
Hello. Hello ko na naman. Hello.
Mamaya yung planchang mahawakan niyang pangilo.
Marami na lang yun. Sililya din ka naman.
Kapagawan na.
Kuna na yan. Ang kalba lang. Nang kayo makalati plato, palangganan. Naghala palangganan, nagdakkalan din kami.
Nasa 24 pala, kaya pala mainit eh. Oh.
Dango. Ano masasabi mo tungkol doon sa palanggana kagabi?
Ang laking kainan.
Ang laking kainan kasi.
Dambuha lang kakain.
Kasi wala nang daw plato, palanggana na lang ko ng salbalong. Naghala ko palanggana paiso.
Siyempre masunurin sa tinilya.
Ay, waterproof ba yung makeup ni mama ko? Iyak yan mamaya eh. Mang, hindi daw waterproof, di ka pwedeng umiyak.
Yung artista lang dapat, mami.
Dapat sa gilid lang po yung room.
Oh, sa gilid lang daw, Mang.
Dapat pala sabihin sa luwag, yan magkaman sa gilid, ano?
Ganun yung
Oh, ganun daw, Mang ah. Pa-side ka.
Binigyan na ng tip.
Daming gwapo dito.
Kilalain ko tayo.
Yung mga gwapo dito. Ayun o. Ay.
Shout out sa mga sikat na vlogger dito sa atin. Hindi nakatagay. Katagay.
Itong mga kala ko, Team Ututin eh.
Ito yung room natin. Ayun tayo, piling mayroon na muna tayo. 30 days ko lang pinagawa. Pinakash ko talaga to.
Oh, ano?
30 days ko pinagawa to. Pinakash ko talaga to para sa kasal.
Oh, tapos,
Tapos,
na-stress ka naman masyado. 30 days, oh, masyado mo, ayun na.
pinakash ko talaga.
Very short.
Mga 123 yung mga tauhan natin dito.
Ay, ayos ah.
Tapos yun, pag-pagising ko kanina, panaginip pa rin. Sarap kasama pag nag-vlog.
Ay, gano'n. May tuno pala. Asa na?
Hindi pa lamig lang ako eh.
Mang, welcome to my vlog. Oh,
Almost ready. Ready for the ceremony.
JL wala.
It's almost time, so let's go.
Lost in your eyes, under your spell. Oh, it's like we've always known it. Even though it's new, I can already tell. Oh, that this feeling is taking over. Can we take our time? I wanna savor it.
Mang.
Every thought on my mind of you and I getting together. Gotta tell ya, I gotta tell ya, I wanna love ya, I wanna love ya. So come on over, I wanna touch, kiss ya. The way you make me feel is precious. I want this feeling forever. Oh, I'll never be the same. Can't believe we found something this good.
Oh, this is the
You're
moment.
all I ever wanted.
Inasam, ito ang next level sa relasyon natin. Alam kong worth it na to go
I
sa
can't
level na,
believe
next
we
level na ito.
started out
As I promise to you, at sa
Oh,
family
it's
mo,
like we were meant to
mahalin
be
kita na
lovers.
mamahalin
All I
at
wanna
mamahalin
do
palalo.
is feel you on
Habang
my
tayo ay
skin.
bubuo
Oh,
ng
let this
pamilya,
feeling
I promise to be a good provider,
take
caring,
me
and loving husband. And soon to be a father to our son and daughter if God will bless us. Sons and daughters.
Makes everything
daughters.
better.
Tag-isa lang ba kayong anak?
You were just on my mind. Now here we are getting together.
Children pala.
Gotta tell ya, I gotta tell ya,
Pero na, yun tunay na sabi ko sa ano.
I wanna
Okay, okay lang
love
yan.
ya. So come on over.
That will be next soon. Again, hindi ako napapagod sa sarili.
Kiss
I love you always, until the last breath that I
the
have.
way you make me feel is precious. I want this feeling forever. Oh, I'll never be the same. Can't believe we found something this good. You're all I ever wanted. Gotta tell ya, I gotta tell ya, I wanna love ya, I wanna love ya. So come on over, I wanna touch, kiss ya. The way you make me feel is precious. I want this feeling forever. Oh, I'll never be the same. Can't believe we found something this good. You're all I ever wanted. All I ever wanted.
Feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love, even though we're kinda nervous. Together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know. Didn't know what hit me when we started. I was shaking electric, trying to stay calm and collected. On that summer afternoon, you were shining like a gem in the sunlight. We were out until midnight, yeah. You said, do you wanna go out sometime? I said, girl, you read my mind. Oh, yeah. Then came the rush of butterflies, trembling and building up from deep inside. into my heart.
Be